way better, yeah.
Oh my god! What a day. Another day on the electric motion. It's the Epure race, it's 2021. Last video I did a review, just showing you guys my first experience riding it basically, but I'm back here. We got Tala, Oscar, Joel and Alex and Ollie from Osset, and we're here at Hookwoods having a good time. So I'll capture some clips, and today is going to be absolutely awesome and I can't wait. Beautiful horses. Yeah. Good boy. You don't mind trials bikes, do you? Hey? Grass. Oh shit, munch that grass. This is what it's all about, you see, being outside and you meet all these cool animals. Look at this bad boy. Hungry horses. But I don't think Tyler's too keen, hey? What do you think? Bro, this is my bike and you can't eat it, so stick to your own field, guys. Here he is, the man of the hour.
I can't hear anything you're saying. Are these alright with these?
Huh?
Hello!
Yeah.
Why the long face?
Yo! So much fun.
Joe, get way closer than that.
What?
Way better, yeah.
Show us what you got, mate. Come on in. Have it! Oh yeah?
Didn't do it as cool as he did it though.
Unbelievable.
Oh, my knee.
Oh my god.
Alright?
No. Always got to have it recorded.
Dude, it's so... It's... yeah, we'll just like turn it off.
You alright there, Joel?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, you look like you're good, mate.
Yeah, real good. I don't know how to work this non-gas power thing. Non-gas power, never like you're American.
Uh-oh. If you hit me, you're dead, mate.
It's chilling, bro.
Yeah, fair play. Yeah.
Sorry, bye. There's a massive rock right in my way.
You are on a trials bike, you could just like go around the rock or over it.
Yeah, you could stop making excuses and just go full send.
Yeah, you tell him, Joel. Let's see you do it. Go on, I'm still filming. Get on your bike, go.
Alright.
Come on, hurry up.
I'm not electric.
Come on.
Kicker.
Today. Yeah, go on. Sticky throttle. Go on. Yeah. Go on. Go on. Uh-oh.
Just hold it there like that.
Uh-oh.
Look,
Yeah.
no hands. I mean, one hand.
Where are you going to go from here then?
I don't know. I mean, I've got myself into a situation.
I don't think it's real steep.
Yeah, keep going. And again. Oh! What are you going to do now?
I mean, I'll just let go of it. I don't care. It's not my bike.
Whoa!
The throttle is so...
You're out of control. Alex, come on, mate. I want to see you do the skip again.
Yeah. Well, now I did the crash for you on purpose.
Are you sure you got this?
Now, send it.
Send it. Oh my god! What? Yeah, we can edit that bit out, you know.
No, leave it out. I did it for you on like that. I never crash normally.
No, you never crash normally. It's the camera. As soon as the camera comes out. Found the little jump, but you got to hit it pinned and get some air off the log with the lip. There we go. That was sick.
Right, what order train do you want to be in?
Who's going first? Jump train. Yeah.
No! Get rid.
You're going on YouTube.
No, I'm not. I will literally break up with you if you do that.
She's going on YouTube.
She's not going on YouTube.
Future YouTube star. Alright, today's trials, preview of all the mud. Only signs of a good day. I think I've battered up my knees quite a lot though, but that's what's going to happen when you ride trials and you get egged on by your friends. So hey, that's what it's all about. Have a good time today, and just wanted to conclude this video. That is the end, so we'll see you on the next one.